Brand new arrival this morning. First one I've ever done a video on. This is a Porsche Cayman GT4 in Gentian Blue. Beautiful mileage. This car's a 70 plate, so it's just coming up 3 years old. It's only covered 7,900 miles. Proper driver's car, a GT4 Cayman. Exciting, 4 litre, naturally aspirated engine, 420 horsepower. This car's the manual, so it's a 6-speed manual, not the PDK. It's still got 2 years Porsche manufacturer's warranty that is being supplied with this vehicle, which I think is very, very important. But I've just been out and I've just drove it. Very, very fun car to drive. Powerful. It's got noise. It's got that sports exhaust system. With it being a GT4, it's all about air intake. So starting at the front, you've got this big front splitter. You can see you've got the GT4 embroidered into that front splitter. With it being a GT as well, you've got this section out of that front nose. It looks very aggressive from the front. And there's all different air intakes on the sides, the front of the front bumper there. And I just was impressed with how the car drives. It's quick, it's noisy, and it's really, really fun. It's a great engine. You've got that big spoiler at the back. You've got the unique, see them little LED lights there as well. You've got them split lights. Big rear diffuser, which is different to a standard Cayman. Big twin tailpipes at the back as well. This car's got BOSE, it's got rear sensors, and it looks lovely in Gentian Blue as well. Wheels, they're finished in an anthracite colour, which are lovely. You can see them big air intakes there. You've got the GT4 grooved into there as well. And it's lovely inside, as you'd expect. The car's done 7,900 miles. We've priced it really competitively. So look at the pricing on these cars, because some dealers are selling them for £10,000, even more for like vehicles. But we try and price them to sell them. Moving on inside, so you get the leather and Alcantara. So if you look at the door cards, you've got this Alcantara with the crayon. You've got electric folding mirrors. You've got the unique little material there for the handles. BOSE sound system, so you've got the speakers there. You've got the Alcantara steering wheel. And if I just get in and start the car up, 6-speed manual as well, so you can have real fun in this car to drive. There you can see the Alcantara steering wheel. You've got cruise, which is also an option as well. Sports exhaust. And then the car sounds absolutely fantastic. We've warmed it up. And this is a 4 litre flat 6 naturally aspirated engine. So it really, really goes really well. 0 to 60, 3.9 seconds. A couple of other features I'll show you. You've got your navigation, your Bluetooth, things that you'd expect. If I move this down here, you've got the ESC button. So you've got an ESC off, but then you've got an ESC traction off as well, so you can really give it some. You've got the Porsche centre armrest there with the logo. You've got your GT4 badging on the seat. All the roof lining is Alcantara. It's lovely, lovely and crisp inside. Like I said, still got Porsche warranty with the car. And just most importantly, it's a good buy. I think it's one of them cars as well, value wise. I think it'll hold its value tremendously well, because over probably looking at these cars over the last 12 months, they haven't really took much of a dip, but we've priced it to sell. It's only done 7,900 miles. It's going live. If you want to give me a call, want any more information, the number's on the bottom of the screen. You can give me a call. Thank you for watching.